come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. DeFi bully. Y'all know the vibes. So I'm here with another banger. I'm not even wasting no time. Y'all seen what's been going on with Furio. Y'all seen everything that's been going on with Furio, with the price action, with the jumping, with the pumping, and a hold up. I mean, of course you guys have. Look at that. The last time I did a video was when it just crossed $6, actually in the middle of my video. That's why it's important to hit that notification bell. Right now we have $14.75. This is crazy. Is this camera on me? This is crazy, people. Now, before I even get crazy hyped up about this and go deeper, please, wait. Yes, there's a betting platform coming to Furio. The FurBet is on its way. But let me show you how you could be a part of that and maybe even be early than everybody else. But before I even get to that, y'all know the drill. You know the drill. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel. It's notification bell NASA. This is time sensitive information. Hit that notification bell and like this video and then marry the video. You're not going to want to divorce it after this. I'm telling you. So boom, the FurBet is coming out. Okay. Pretty much it's going to be a betting platform for the video. Matter of fact, I was going to read this, but I'm going to let it read it while I listen along with
Welcome to FurBet Introduction. The Furio dev team FDT are delighted to introduce the second major project within the ecosystem. FurBet is a gaming protocol that will have its own unique token, Ferb, that will be on the Binance Smart Chain. The token can be purchased with USDC, which is our token of choice, as we believe that DeFi ecosystem should be striving for stability. FurBet will offer users an exciting array of games including roulette, slots, dice and card games. And crypto prediction markets. The system strongly encourages responsible participation by over 18s and utilizes provably to ensure fairness for everyone. FurBet will intertwine with the rest of the Furio ecosystem, and there will be unique opportunities and incentives for participants in our first project, the ROI DApp. All chips within the project will have a fixed price of 50 cents USDC to enable low responsible staking. Tokenomics. There will be a maximum supply of 5 million Ferb tokens. The token has two unique rewards attached to it. It pays an annual rate of return and will have quarterly dividends, which are 50% of the house profits. The rate of return on staked tokens will be 10% APY general staking plus quarterly share of 50% of house profits if you have less than 50 Fur in your Fur vault. 12.5% APY general staking plus quarterly share of 50% of house profits if you have more than 50 Fur in your Fur vault. 15.0% APY general staking plus quarterly share of 50% of house profits if you hold a Furio Platinum NFT. First pre-sale. The pre-sale will open on Tuesday, 2nd August at 18.00 UTC, and the first pre-sale will only be open to wallet addresses with a minimum of 25 tokens in the vault with positive participant status. There will be 750,000 tokens available at 0.5 USDC per token, which will be a 50% discount on the launch price. There will be a capped allocation for the first 15 minutes of 500 per wallet on a first-come first-served basis. This is to give everyone in the vault a fair chance, whatever wallet size. After 15 minutes the balance will open on FCFS to vault wallet addresses to buy an unlimited amount. Second general public presale. This presale will open on Thursday, 4th August at 18.00 UTC. There will be 750,000 tokens available at 0.75 USDC per token, which will be a 25% discount on the launch price. There will be a capped allocation for the first 15 minutes of 2,000 per wallet on a first-come first-served basis. This is to give everyone a fair chance, whatever wallet size. After 15 minutes the balance will open on FCFS to any wallet addresses. Launch. FurBet will go live on Monday, 8th August at 18.00 UTC. The LP will be held on PancakeSwap, but tokens will also be available via the Furio swap facility as usual. The casino may well be open for business prior to this date. Remaining tokens. The balance of tokens will be used to pay interest to the staked holders or for community-approved incentives. The first tranche of casino profits will be deposited in the LP to ensure that the price of Ferb is stable to support the interest paid. The interest rates are fixed as minimum rates for the first 3 years and will only be increased. The House are acting responsibly in a non-deflationary way, backing the token with USDC to support the investment of the stakers. Initial dynamics. All pre-sale tokens will have a 4-stage vesting split. The project launches on 8th of August 2022. The tokens are released on 1st of December 2022, 1st of March 2023, 1st of May 2023 and 1st of September 2023. On each of the above dates you will receive your interest payment and casino profit share bonus. This will be released immediately. As Furio has demonstrated, we strive for stability. You will have a guaranteed rate of return, 50% variable profit share from the house, and profits from the token will back the price of FurB in USDC. Profit distribution. The first tranche of profit will be used to back interest payments to ensure stability for the price of FurB and will be sent to the LP. There will then be allocations as follows. 50% of remaining house profit is distributed to stake token holders. It's split proportionately, but there is a 10% uplift to your share as the same wallet address holds 50 FUR in the FUR vault. 25% of profit goes to ecosystem marketing and dev wallet. 25% goes to the Furio ROI DApp ecosystem. FurBet, the product. FurBet will launch with the following: crypto prediction markets. Speculate on the price of your favorite cryptos. Lots of varieties of the following games: roulette, horse racing, blackjack, slots, dice games, Keno, baccarat, lucky wheel, poker, crash. We have also entered into agreement with B Gaming, Ivaplay, Ka Gaming, and will be able to add their games to FurBet to meet demand. Player features for participants. Sign-up bonuses. Affiliate program. Everyone you introduce earns you bonuses when you play. Multiple cryptos and fiat accepted. Preferential rates if you deposit FUR token or FurB token to purchase chips. 2% bonus chips. Protection from impermanent loss. All stakes are valued in USDC and every chip in the house is 50 cents. When you exit, you are paid back in the same token you invested at the current USDC translation rate, so your stake money isn't exposed to the markets. Most importantly, everyone is protected as the system is constructed with provably support and backup via our dedicated email channel. Key bonuses for the ROI participants and the ecosystem. Exclusive pre-sale at guaranteed 50% launch discount. Exclusive buy advantage prices. Exclusive interest rates for wallets with a vault balance. Enhanced profit share uplift of 10% as you have a 50 FUR vault balance. Utility for FUR token with preferential rates in the casino. Guaranteed 25% profit share from the casino going to support the ROI DApp and ecosystem. Casino profits to be used for ecosystem marketing. New retail entrants bringing fiat to the ecosystem. Early adopter opportunities for building affiliate networks within the casino. The FDT have ensured maximum advantage for ROI participants. Thank you for joining us on the next stage of this amazing journey. Best wishes. FDT.
Okay, guys, you heard it. And like they said, they're going to be doing things for affiliates. They're going to try to make it fair. There's going to be a whole bunch of implementations, different types of games. I heard blackjack, I heard roulette. Comment down below something that you're probably looking forward to when it comes to this FurBet. And I believe this team with their docs, they show their faces. Yeah, like they've been doing good so far. We seen what's going on with Furio. And matter of fact, let me just do a quick, go to the vault really fast. And just do just a quick compound. Well, I think I compounded earlier today. I mean, whatever. I'll just do another one. I'm just so hopeful in this project. It's so crazy, yo. The world of this DeFi stuff is changing. We're finally starting to see like these tokens and these projects use good tokenomics. Okay, that's what made me hopeful for other projects similar like Bandit. We see what's going on with Ooze, Cairo. Like they're actually stepping up. They're not like Trip, where the people could just abuse the system and just claim every day. Now with the FurBet that's coming out, we do see that for the first pre-sale, they're actually making it for people that has a reward rate of 2.5. Right now I'm at 2.25 because I did those claims for like just to test it out. But now I'm wishing I never claimed. I should have compounded. And this is going to help the price action because it's going to encourage people to keep compounding at least more up until the launch of the FurBet. okay? Because I definitely want to be a part of it, and I'm sure that if you're watching this video, you do as well. So this is a good opportunity to like keep compounding. You know, you need 28 days of compounding to reach the 2.5. I can't remember when I did the withdrawal or the claim, but hopefully by August 2nd, I could be back to that. I could be up to the 2.5% daily, and I could take part in that first pre-sale. Cause my goodness, I wish I took part of the NFT pre-sales for Furio when I had the chance, and I definitely had the chance, people. And that's like, it just shows you a lesson on life. Don't let opportunities pass you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm bullish on this FurBet. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Let me take these off the screen. Look how beautiful that looks. FurBet. Let's get it. It's a bet. It's a wrap. Let's get to this cash. And I just wanted to do a quick run through with that and be one of the first people to tell you guys about this. And remember, people, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but it's a no-brainer. I like this video, then marry it, all right?
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.